Today I will talk about how can you disable quick ad on your money manager app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this, that you click here on configuration. So then you come to next here, then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down here, then you come here to quick add, just click on it here, then it's going to show for you like this, you click here on off, like you see here, quick add disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish now you accurate. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.